Welcome to today's market report.
A clutch of positive earnings, including from chipmaker ASML and consumer stock Danone, helped European shares rebound on Wednesday, although worries over the Ukraine-Russian war, slowing growth, and rising yields kept gains in check. The pan-European stock 600 ticked up 0.8%, making back all of Tuesday's losses. Rising bond yields, which had pressured stocks, fell on Wednesday, but were still at elevated levels on hopes of central bank tightening. Despite the risk rebound, headwinds are likely to prevail in the short term, as lingering risks of a war escalation and sanctions are augmented by tougher central banks and increased signs of slowdown. The stock 600 has declined over 5% so far this year, with tech stocks losing 20%, while commodity-linked stocks surged by the same measure on rising prices. Profits for European companies are expected to have grown by 25% in the 3 months to end March, a much lower pace compared to the 60 to 150% rates of 2021, with outlook for the rest of 2022 being the big question for investors as inflation surges to record highs. Data on Wednesday showed German producer prices rose 30.9% on the year in March, reflecting the effects of the Ukraine conflict. France's CAC 40 gained 1.4% ahead of a key debate between presidential candidates Emmanuel Macron and Marine Le Pen before Sunday's runoff vote. Macron is seen winning the election according to polls. The abstention rate for the vote is seen at around 26% according to one poll. The British pound covers from weekly lows near the 130 figure amidst a weaker US dollar, spurred by falling US Treasury yields and upbeat market sentiment around financial markets. At 130.67, the cable portrays the aforementioned poised for a retest of the 131 mark. Eurodollar is holding on to gains and is testing daily highs around 108.60 on the back of the US dollar's correction to the downside across the board, finding support above 108.20.
This is today's market news. Thanks for listening. We'll see you next time.